welcome back to Savvy Science. Today we are going to do an experiment. So here we go. We're just going to put this in the water. Whoa! Well, look at that. Quite colorful, actually.
Okay, let's put that in the sink and we'll try the next one.
Let's just, whoa, it makes, let's try this one. This one's probably gonna be.
Okay, show it to us first.
So, here we go. You think it's plain paper? Well, look at that. It's very colorful.
Mm-hmm.
And the rainbow actually looks like a real one. Ew. Okay, let's see the unicorn. Oh, that's cute. That color really shows. Like, if you open it up, it's really cool.
Okay, why don't you show us how to make it?
So here's how you make it if you want to make it. I don't have any. Oh, so we're gonna take some pink, and so we colored this in. And we're just gonna color in the fish, and we color it in, and yeah, so.
But only on the inside, right?
Yeah, we only color it in on the inside because it sinks through into this picture, the better one, and it will form another picture that's colorful instead of plain black and white. It's really fascinating if you look it up. It looked like a big grumpy fish there. Which one of these two? Because we only have one more fish left. And
No, there's two more fish. There should be one in the corner. I think I colored it in blue though.
oh, yeah.
That's okay, you can color over it in green.
Let's just color in. You might not be able to see this fish, but my mom accidentally colored it in blue. And then let's color this one. Very bright yellow, I have to say. Okay, so then you fold it back again and you put it in the water. Wow, that water's really colorful now. There you go, a little fishy picture. It kind of looks like stained glass.
Neat.
So if you like what I'm doing and you like the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit thumbs up or something. So see you.